Let's suppose our beautiful green and blue Earth frozen in time, where towering glaciers dominated the landscape, covering vast stretches of the planet with ice as thick as mountains. This was Earth during the Ice Age, an era of extreme cold that shaped not just the land, but also the course of human evolution. But what happened when this ice began to melt? How did the Earth transform, and what does our future hold? In this video, we'll dive deep into the Earth's incredible journey from the end of the Ice Age to our modern world, and look ahead at what may lie in store. I am Dr. Janet Weitz from California, a geography professor and the narrator of Sam Space Corporation. This is the second part of Ice Age video, so stay in touch, and there will be questions for you to ask. Your suggestions don't miss end. Just after 11,700 years ago, the last Ice Age drew to a close, triggering massive environmental shifts that reshaped the planet. The enormous ice sheets that had once dominated North America, Europe, and Asia began to retreat, causing sea levels to rise significantly. This rise submerged vast stretches of land, altering coastlines and giving birth to new rivers and lakes. As glaciers melted, fertile soil that had been trapped beneath ice for millennia was exposed, leading to the expansion of ecosystems. Forests, grasslands, and wetlands began to thrive in regions that had once been frozen, providing rich habitats for a variety of species. Humans too found these newly revealed landscapes to be ideal for settlement, and this shift played a crucial role in the transition from nomadic lifestyles to more permanent agricultural communities. The warming climate not only reshaped Earth's geography, but also had profound impacts on the species that inhabited it. Megafauna like mammoths and saber-toothed tigers, which had been well adapted to the cold, faced extinction as their habitats disappeared. In contrast, smaller mammals, including humans, adapted quickly to the new environment. Rivers like the Nile, Tigris, and Euphrates, fed by melting glaciers, became essential to early human civilizations, enabling the development of large-scale agriculture, irrigation systems, and trade networks. This period also saw a surge in human innovation as societies began experimenting with new technologies such as pottery, metallurgy, and permanent housing. The foundations of modern civilization were laid as humans domesticated animals, cultivated crops, and established complex social and political structures in this post-Ice Age world. Earth. Today in 2024. Today, 11,700 years after the end of the last Ice Age, Earth's landscapes and ecosystems still bear the marks of that ancient period. Glacial activity carved out iconic landforms like the Great Lakes in North America and the dramatic fjords of Norway. While the planet has warmed significantly since then, we continue to live with the remnants of the Ice Age. Glaciers still exist, though they're rapidly melting, contributing to rising sea levels and altering ecosystems. These landscapes, once shaped by nature's slow processes, are now being transformed by human activity, with urbanization and industrialization drastically reshaping the planet. Over the centuries, humanity has advanced from simple nomadic societies to highly developed civilizations. Early humans settled near fertile lands exposed by retreating glaciers, giving rise to agriculture. Fast forward to today, and we've moved from farming tools to massive cities, interconnected by technology, space exploration, and innovations in science and communication. Earth is now home to nearly 8 billion people and countless ecosystems, but human civilization has become the dominant force altering the environment. The natural climate warming that followed the Ice Age has been accelerated by industrialization, leading to an era of rapid climate change. Fossil fuel consumption, deforestation, and urban sprawl have destabilized the environment, with glaciers retreating once again, not due to natural cycles, but because of human-induced global warming. The consequences are severe. Polar ice caps are melting faster than ever before, causing sea levels to rise and threatening coastal regions. Changing weather patterns are leading to more frequent and extreme events like hurricanes, droughts, and wildfires. Earth is undergoing another dramatic transformation, but this time, it's being driven by human actions. Despite these challenges, hope remains. There is a growing global movement towards sustainability, with nations adopting renewable energy sources like solar and wind, investing in reforestation, and creating green cities. Innovations such as electric vehicles and smart technology offer glimpses of a more sustainable future, where humanity and the environment can coexist in balance. Global cooperation has become essential in tackling these issues. International organizations, governments, and grassroots movements are pushing for policies to reduce carbon emissions, protect endangered species, and preserve the natural world. The United Nations and other bodies are spearheading efforts to address the climate crisis, recognizing that the future of Earth depends on unified action. But while we work towards sustainability, many species and ecosystems are still at risk. The biodiversity that thrived after the Ice Age, from rainforests to coral reefs, is now under threat. Habitat loss, pollution, and climate change are pushing many species toward extinction, and the choices we make today will determine whether these ecosystems survive for future generations. As we look back on the 11,700 years since the last Ice Age, we see a planet that has transformed dramatically. Humanity has made immense progress, but we now face unprecedented challenges. The journey from the Ice Age to today is a testament to Earth's resilience and humanity's ingenuity, but the future is uncertain. How will we shape the next chapter? With the rise of clean energy, growing global awareness, and innovations in sustainability, there is still time to alter the course of climate change and preserve the planet's balance. The future of Earth is in our hands, and the decisions we make today will shape the world for generations to come. The future. What will become of Earth? So, what does the future hold for our planet? As temperatures continue to rise, we may see dramatic changes in the coming centuries. Coastal cities could face severe flooding as sea levels rise. Entire ecosystems may collapse or shift as animals and plants struggle to adapt to the changing climate. Some scientists predict that Earth could enter another ice age, albeit far into the future, if natural processes override human-caused warming. Others warn of the opposite, a planet too warm for ice to form, resulting in deserts expanding and extreme weather becoming the norm. Technology and human ingenuity will play crucial roles in shaping this future. With renewable energy and advanced conservation techniques, we may yet be able to prevent the most severe consequences of climate change. However, the actions we take today will determine whether Earth remains a habitable home for future generations or transforms into an unrecognizable planet. The Earth has undergone incredible transformations, from a frozen world during the Ice Age to the thriving, complex planet we live on today. But the changes are far from over. Our future on this planet is uncertain, but we have the power to shape it. What will our Earth look like 100 years from now? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain. Just as the Ice Age shaped the past, our actions today will shape the future. Stay tuned for more insights into our planet's history and future. Let us know your thoughts on what Earth might become. Subscribe and like our channel